Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well, at least now, since your exam, that is one of the paper core subject, has been completed. I wish you people have written it well, and I got the response also. Most of the students have said it was very easy. Most of the questions were repeated from model papers. Okay, so let us see. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, it's very sad for you. Okay, please do it. Let us start with our first question. Okay, the nth term of an AP. Okay, the nth term of an AP an equals to 4n plus 5. Okay, this is the nth term. Then the fifth term is what? So just substitute 5 in the place of n. Okay, so 5 fours are 20 plus 5, which is equal to 25. It's very simple. Option number C. Next is second question. It's here. When the quadratic equation 5x square is equal to 2 into 2x plus 3 is expressed in standard form, its constant term is dash. Okay, so solve it. 5x square is equal to 2 to the 4x plus 3 to the 6. Bring everything to LHS. It's become 5x square minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. Now this is the constant term, minus 6. Option number D, because this is in the standard form. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So you have to bring it in this form. I hope you have written it well. Moving to next question number 3. X minus 2y equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 20 equals to 0 are, so same, a by a1 by a2, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 4, and third is 0. None of them are equal, right? So it is a intersecting line. Option number A. Next question number 4. Okay, it's here. The pair of equation of lines as shown in the graph are dash. So what are the options? Okay, so these are the options here. What you have to do, you have to look, this is a intersecting line, so this is the solution. What is the solution here? It is 1 and 0, 1 comma 0. So if you solve this, okay, if you solve these equations, the value of x and y should be 1 and 0 respectively to the equation which is correct given one. So let us check if you solve these two, or just substitute x as 1. If you substitute here, 1 plus 0 is 1, good, and here 2 minus 0 is 1, so this cannot be correct. Next is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 is 2, okay, and 1 plus 0, no, this is not. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0 is 2, okay, and 4 ones are 4 minus 0 is 4. Yes, this is matching. Okay, even you can check here, 0 minus 2 minus 1 is 0. No, this is wrong. Only option number C is matching with the correct. You can also solve it like this. Okay, 4x minus y equals to 4. So on solving you will get 6x equals to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 6, that is 1, and y is equal to, if you bring this to this side and this to here, this becomes 2x minus 2. So 2 ones are 2, minus 2 is 0. So option number D is correct. Okay, 1 comma 0 is matching for option number C. Moving to our next question, question number 5th. It is this one. If a pair of linear equations into variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 are parallel lines, then the correct relation, parallel means first two will be equal. Okay, option number A. Question number 6. If a pair of lines this and this are coincident, okay, then the value of a and b respectively are, for coincident, as I have said the trick, IPC. Okay, coincident, all are equal, right? So a1 by a2, let me write it directly, 2 by a and 3 by b, here it is 7 by 2, 7 by 14. I'm saying the answer directly. So this is 7 ones are 7 twos, means numerator is 1, denominator is 2. Since here it is 1, what should be here to make it 1 by 2? Here it should be 6, and here to make it 1 by 2, here it should be 4, correct? Or just multiply this, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So A is 4 and B is 6. 4 and 6. Option number C is the right answer. Moving to question number 7. Which of the following is an AP? Okay, so this is based on the common difference. The difference is same, you can say it is an AP. Okay, here if you take A2 minus A1, minus 1 is minus 2, and minus 2 is minus 4. So minus 2 and plus 1 is plus 1, sorry. Minus 2 and minus of minus plus 1. Here D is not 7. Not same, so this is not AP. 1 5 4, difference is 4, here also 4. Yes, this is an AP, but check for others also. If you take any two random number, if I take these two, so minus 2, here it is minus 4, and 2, this becomes plus 4, so even this is not AP. Here gap is 1, here 2, here 4, so even this is not AP. Only option number B is AP because its common difference is same throughout. Question number 8. The 11th term of the AP, this is dash. So A is minus 3, D is minus A2 minus A1, minus 1 of minus 3. So this is minus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2. So 11th term, A11 is A plus 10D, correct? So substitute minus 3 plus 10 into what is D? It is plus 2. Substitution should be proper. Okay. So when we solve this becomes 20, it is 17. Option number D, plus 17. Okay. Next is question number 9. The sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 155. Okay, S10 is 155. And sum of first 9 terms, that is S9 is 126. Then the 10th term is dash. So 10th term is what? It is this formula. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So just subtract S10 minus S9 will give A10. So 5 minus 6 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. So option number 29. Option is 29. Option number C. Okay, I hope it's clear. Question number 10 is, if one of the root of the equation is 2, okay, then the value of A is what? The value of A, they have asked. So what you have to do, just substitute the value of x as 2. So this becomes 2 square plus A into 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2a plus 6 equals to 0. So 2a is equal to, if I bring both this becomes minus 14. So a is minus 14 by 2, which is equal to minus 7. So option number C is correct. Okay, minus 7. Next is question number 11. The discriminant of the quadratic equation, this. So they have changed the equation, px square plus qx plus r equals to 0. So just replace with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So what was discriminant? It was b square minus 4ac. So at the place of b they have written q, 4 at the place of a they have written p, at the place of c they have written r. So this becomes formula, it is q square minus 4pr. Okay, so option number A. Next is question number 12. If 4x 10 are in AP, then the value of x is dash. So D should be same. This is A1, A2, A3. What is D? It is x minus 4, and that is equal to 10 minus x. Okay, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Bring x to this side. This becomes 2x, and 10 plus 4 becomes 14. So x is 14 by 2, 7. Option number D. Okay, I hope it's clear. The questions are very easy. Okay, they just prepared to make you all pass, I guess. Next is question number 13. The roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c are z dash. So what are the roots? The formula, they have asked the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is the correct. Next is question number 14. The roots of the quadratic equation this and this equals to 0 are, so just substitute x minus 3 is 0, x plus 2 is 0. So here x becomes 3 to RHS plus 2 becomes minus 2 to RHS. So 3n minus 2. Option number B, 3n minus 2. Next is question number 15. Am I right? I'm going in order, no? Yes. If the sum of two consecutive integers is 27, then the integers are dashed. Integers means it can be either plus or minus. Sum of two consecutive. So I will take one as x and the other as x plus 1. Sum is how much? 27. So when we solve this, this becomes 2x plus 1 equals to 27. Okay. So 2x is equal to 27 minus 1, 26. So x is equal to 26 by 2, that is 13. One of the term is, this is how much? 13. What about this? X plus 1 is how much? 13 plus 1. So that is equal to 14. So option number 13 and 14, B is the right answer. Okay. Moving to our next question. Question number 16. In the figure, the value of sine theta is dash. So here is theta. So this will be opposite. Okay, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. Okay, if you have seen my videos, you must be thankful because I've explained all this in detail. Okay, so sine theta is what? Sine theta is O by H. What is O here? O is 1. What is hypotenuse here? It is 2. So answer is what? 1 by 2. That's all. Option number A. Next is question number 17. The value of sine 30 plus cos 60 minus tan 45 is dash. Sine 30 is how much? It is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is how much? It is also 1 by 2. Cos 60, sorry. Minus 1. So half half 1 minus 1, that is 0. Option number D. They're very simple. Next, question number 18. 3 plus sec square theta is equal to dash. Okay, so they have made it 3 plus sec square theta. So if you know this formula, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta, right? So here they've written 3 plus sec square theta. So just add 3 on both. So this becomes 3 plus sec square theta, and here this becomes 3 plus 1 plus tan square theta, correct? So 3 plus 1 is 4 plus tan square theta. So that is what 3 plus sec square theta means. So answer is 4 plus tan square theta. That is option number A. It's very simple, just a little common sense. Question number 19 is, the angle of elevation of top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Then the height of tower is dash. Okay, so it is like this. The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of tower is 30 degree. Height is how much? So this is opposite, this is adjacent. So tan theta, correct? Tan 30 is equal to O by 30. What is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3, which is equal to O by 30. So O is how much? Just do cross multiply. 30 by root 3. Now this is not given in the option, right? 30 by root 3. So just rationalize this, root 3 into root 3. So when we solve this, this becomes 30 root 3, and here root 3 whole square. So this get cancelled, and 3 tens. So answer is 10 root 3. So is this given? Yes, option number D, 10 root 3. Okay, moving to our next question. Question number 20. The value of sine theta plus cosec theta is dash. So since they are reciprocal to each other, okay, we'll write like this. Cosec theta is 1 by sine. So sine cancel. Option number B is the right. Next, question number 21. The formula to find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points this and this. So it is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Even if they write here or here, both of them are correct. Option number which? A is right. X1, X2 should be near and plus should be there between them. So option number A is right. Question number 22, and this is very interesting. Actually, most of the students, they got confused in this. Why? I will tell you. The distance between the points this and this, okay, is what? So what is the formula which you have learned? It is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Now x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, what if I write this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Do there be x2 y2? Will there be any change? No, it remains the same. The formula remains the same. Either if I write this as x2 minus x1 whole square, okay, and this as y2 minus y1 whole square, both of them are same, x2 minus x1 whole square and y1 minus y2. Okay, if I'm taking x1 here, here y1 should come. If I'm taking x2 here, here also y2 should come. That is the main thing. Okay, you can also find, see, if I take 3 comma 4 and if I take 5 comma 6, and if I ask you to find the formula distance between them, then you can either subtract this from this square. So let me do this. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square, plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2 whole square. How much will you get? It is root 4 plus 4 root 8. Now if I do like this, 5 minus 3, here also I'll get 2 whole square, plus 6 minus 4, 2 whole square. Here also I'll get 4 plus 4, 8 only. So the final answer remains the same. Now since they have given x1 minus x2 whole square and plus y1 minus 1 y2 whole square, most of you have not written it, I think so, because most of the students sent me the message that this is a wrong question. But no, it's not wrong. Option number A is correct. Okay, you have to look x1 minus x2 whole square. Here since they have given minus, so this can't be. Here there is plus in between, so even this can't be. And here again plus, so this can't be. Only one option is matching with your formula. So option number A is correct. I hope that's clear. Question number 23 is the value among the observation of the most repeated. Which one is that most repeated? It is mode. Okay, mean is average, median is the centermost, most repeated is mode. Next is question number 24. The mean of the following score is how much? Mean means just add them. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 15 1 16. 16 divided by how many numbers are there? 4. 1 2 3 4. So it is 4. Option number D. Next is question number 25. The relation among the mean, median and mode is what? So it is 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. So yes, this is right. 3 median, 1 mode plus 2 mean. Okay, just they have interchanged mean at the place of mode. That's all. Question number this. A cylinder made up of wax is melted and recast completely into sphere. Then the volume of sphere, it remains same, equal to the, similar to model paper question. Option number D. Question number 27. The formula to find the midpoint of the class interval. So it is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Yes, upper lower by 2. Option number C. Question number 28 is, okay, this one. In triangle ABC, xy equals parallel to BC. Okay, then AX by XB, okay, AX by AB, small to large they have taken. AC, okay, here it's become ulta. AX by BX, AX BX, small small, AY CY, AY CY. Yes, this is matching. So that is right. You can check this also. AX by BX, XY AY, XY. How come? No. AY, AB, BX, okay, AB and BX, AC, AY. No, if they had written this, then it could have been correct. Only one is valid here. Option number B. Now question number 29. Observe the given two triangles and then identify the length of DF in the following. Okay, so this is 60. Okay, this is 60, means this is both of these are similar triangles, so their corresponding ratio will be, corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So right, like this, AB will be, AB by DE will be equal to, AB by DE will be equal to BC by EF, and that is equal to AC by DF. Okay, so this is in decimal, so ignore that. This is easy. BC is how much? 6 and EF is 12. So here AC will be 3 root 2 and here DF will be how much? So if you see, they are in the ratio 1 by 2, correct? So even this should be 1 by 2. So if I write here 6 root 2, you'll get the right answer, right? 3 ones are 3 twos are root get cancel. So answer is 6 root 2, option number A. Next is question number 30. Triangle ABC similar to PQR. Area of ABC 64, area of PQR 100, AB is 8, then length of PQ is dash. So ABC 64 by PQR 100 equals to 8 square divided by x square. So if you see 8 square is how much? 64. So here that's what they have given. So what should be square such that its square, what should be the number such that its square is 10, 100? It is 10, right? Because 10 square is 100. So option number C is correct. Or else you can solve it like this also. Just find the root. This is 8, this is 10. So that's the answer. Next is 31. What have they given here? This is in Kannada. Yes, here. In the triangle B is 90 degree, okay, and BD is perpendicular to AC. If AB is 6, BC is 8, then the length of CD is how much? Where is CD? Here. So this you can find it like this. So this is very interesting question. See, AB is given, BC is given, and here AC is given. And if you see, this is common. BD is common for both this triangle, that is ABD and BDC. Okay. And what we'll do, we'll assume this as x, CD as x. So what will AD becomes? It becomes 10 minus x, correct? This is AD from here to here. Since total is 10, so if this is x, this becomes 10 minus x. Now we can take two triangle, right angle, that is BDA. First BDA. Okay, here since this is 90, correct? So what will this become? This is hypotenuse. So 6 square is equal to BD square plus 10 minus x whole square, correct? This is the first equation. Now similarly, what I will reduce this first. I will write this in the form of BD square. BD square will become 6 square plus 10 minus x whole square. Now similarly look for this. Here 90 degrees there. So in triangle BDC, okay, 8 square will be, use Pythagoras theorem. Same again, BD square plus x square. I will write again this in the form of BD square. So it's become, it is a 64 minus x square. This is equation 2. Now both 1 and 2 represent what? BD square. Means this is equal to this. So just substitute. 6 square is 36 plus 10 minus x whole square is equal to 64 minus x whole square, x square, correct? So now you can bring this to either RHS or first solve it here itself. This is 36, this use a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2 tens are 20x, and here it is 64 minus x square, correct? A square minus, am I right? Anything wrong here? No. Okay, there is one mistake. Yeah, it is here. See, here it should be minus, right? Since I am sending this to LHS, that becomes minus. So this is minus. So here this becomes, this is also minus, not plus. Okay, I will write it again. Don't worry. So this is what, if you miss plus and minus, the whole answers become wrong. So this is a square. Okay, if it is in bracket, this is b square minus, let me read. Okay, now so this is what, 36 minus 10 minus x whole square is equal to 64 minus x square. Okay, so on reducing this becomes a square, correct? So it is 100, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 20x, which is equal to 64 minus x square. So remove the bracket, minus 100 minus x square plus 20x equals to 64 minus x square. So both this x square will get cancelled since they are in the same sign. So how much is this? Minus 64, correct, plus 20x is equal to 64. Now send this to RHS. This becomes 64 plus 64, which is equal to how much? Yes, 128. So x is how much? 128 by 20. So if you divide it by 10, you'll get 10 twos are, here you'll get 20. 10 ones are, correct, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, and 10 eights are 80. Next is 12.8, so it is 6.4 on solving this. So option number B is correct. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next is question number 32. Yes, so this is 32. In the given figure, AT is the tangent, okay, drawn at a point A to the circle with center O such that OT is OT. Okay, this is 4. If OTA is 30, then AT is how much? So use rule. Which one? Sine or cos rule. If this is theta, this is opposite. Since this is 90, this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent. They have given 30 and you need to find a. H is given, so use cos 30. Cos 30 is a by h. So cos 30 is how much? It is 1 by 2, correct. A is unknown, h is 4. On cross multiplication you'll get how much? 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So option number B is correct here. Okay, I hope it's clear. Moving to next question, 33. In the given figure, PBC and CD are tangents to the circle with center O. If PC is 8, okay, this total is 8. AP is 5, then the length of tangent CD is how much? So this is 5 means this is also 5. Now total is 8, so this is 3. So even this is 3. That's all. Option number B. Next, question number 34. The wrong statement in the following is: a tangent to a circle touches the circle exactly at one point. Tangent, yes, that is correct. But they have asked wrong statement. Next, when a straight line is drawn to a circle, it always passes through a point on the circle. Is it correct? A straight line, it always passes through a point. No, it can pass through 2 points also. So this is wrong. But let us look for the other option. The point of contact of the circle and tangent, the point common to the circle and its tangent is called as point. So even this is correct. The tangent drawn at a point on any circle is perpendicular to the radius. Yeah, even this is correct. Only this option is wrong. So that is our answer for the question. Question number 35. Okay, it's in Kannada. English is missing. What they have asked? Question number 35. Okay, just a minute. Yes, here is our question. Which is the next step of construction while constructing a pair of tangent to a circle from an external point T given in the figure? Okay, so what is the next point? This is the point where we have drawn a radius. Okay, now from external point we have cut an arc. The next point is joining these two. Okay, joining these two and marking center here and radius this. So let us check which is the given. The next point is option number A. Yes, it looks like that. Not B, not C, not D. Yes, it is option number A. Okay, moving to our next question, 36. The surface area of sphere is this much. The radius of the same sphere is how much? Surface area is 4 pi r square, which is equal to 616. Now they have asked radius. So what will be radius? Since they have not given the pi value, we will substitute it here. It's become 616 divided by 4 pi. Pi is 22 by 7. So this becomes like this. Okay, so on solving, how much will you get? This 22 into 8 if you do. Okay, so 8 twos are 16, 1 carry. Okay, it can't be solved. So 4 into, if you divide, you will get this one, 616 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2 1 4 5s are 20, 1 6 4 4s are 16. So 156. This becomes 156. Now 22 into 8 if you do. Okay, sorry, this is 4 not 6. 4 4s are 16. Okay, so this is 4. So now when you do 22 sevens, you'll get 154, and 7 into 7 is 49. So r square is 49. R is root of 49, which is equal to 7. So option number D is correct. They have asked radius, it is 7. Next is 37. Question number 37. The volume of the cone as shown in the figure is, this is H, R, and this is L. So what is volume of cone? It is pi r square H divided by 3, right? So pi r square H divided by 3. If you write like this or if you write like this, both of them are same. So option number C is correct. Okay, volume is pi r square H by 3. Next is question number 38. The formula to find the TSA of a right circular base cylindrical vessel of base radius this and height this, opened at one end. Okay, only at one end it is open, means here it is closed. So what will be the TSA? So for this you will have pi r square, and CSA is what? 2 pi RH, correct? So when you add pi r is common, or if you directly, if you can match, yes, here they have given directly option number A. Okay, even if they had given this option, r plus 2h, even this is correct, but since they have not given, they have given directly, so option number A will be right. Next, the last, okay, last is 39, eh? Okay, question number 39. To find the CSA of a frustum of a cone as shown in the figure, the formula is CSA. What is formula? It is pi into R1 plus R2 L, correct? That is CSA, no? Pi RL or this. So it is pi R1 plus R2 into L, option number C. Okay, that's all. It's very simple. Next is question number 40 and the last one. The TSA of a solid hemisphere. Hemisphere means it is 3 pi r square, is 462. If the CSA of surface, CSA of it, okay, means 2 pi r is 308, then the area of the base of hemisphere, okay, base, area of the base is pi r square, right? So just subtract this minus this, 3 minus 2 will get pi r square. So 462 minus 308, 12 minus 8 is 4, 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 154, option number D, C. Okay, so I hope you all have written well, because the question paper seems very easy. Even if not, then don't worry, focus on your next exam. Okay, so with this I will end this video, and I will wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. See you all, take care, bye.